Hello everyone. Today I want to share a story that genuinely shocked me, and I hope it can serve as a warning to anyone traveling to the Philippines, Thailand, or anywhere else in Southeast Asia. A Russian doctor, a professional surgeon in his 50 years old, used to visit the Philippines during his vacations. This time he spent a short period in Angeles City. He told people he didn't really like it, and he even claimed that someone tried to rob him. After that, he left for Cebu. But according to what he told friends, he didn't enjoy Cebu either. He couldn't find what he was looking for, so eventually he traveled to Thailand. Then something strange happened. He disappeared. For quite some time, nobody heard from him. Friends who knew him had no idea where he was. People started asking questions, but nobody seemed to know anything. Eventually, information came from his daughter. What she revealed was heartbreaking. While staying at a small hotel or guest house in Thailand, he apparently interacted with one of the cats that lived around the property. Nobody knows exactly what happened. Maybe he tried to pet the cat, maybe he reached out with his hand, or maybe he was trying to feed it. But the cat bit him. According to his daughter, the bite seemed very minor. There was barely any visible wound, and because it looked insignificant, he never went to the hospital. Just a small bite. Nothing serious, or so it seemed. A couple of weeks later, he began feeling unwell. Eventually, he sought medical help, but by then it was too late. Only 2 days after being admitted to the hospital, he passed away. Doctors reportedly determined that he had contracted rabies. The bite was on his finger, and because it was on the hand, the virus had a relatively short pass through the nervous system before reaching the brain. That is why I want to share this warning with everyone. If you feed stray animals, please be careful. Try not to touch them unnecessarily. Do not put your hands near their mouths. And if you are ever bitten or scratched by a cat, dog, monkey, or any other animal, do not wait. Go to a hospital immediately. In Angeles City and many other places throughout the Philippines, rabies vaccinations are widely available. Hospitals can provide treatment, and there are also clinics that specialize in rabies prevention. Please don't take chances. Rabies is not something you can feel immediately. The bite can look tiny. You may think everything is fine. But once symptoms appear, rabies is one of the deadliest diseases in the world. Many people don't realize that the virus can travel through the body very slowly. In some cases, symptoms can take weeks, months, or even longer to appear, depending on where the bite occurred. A bite on the hand, arm, neck, or face can be especially dangerous because the virus may reach the brain faster. The important thing to remember is simple. If you are bitten or scratched by an animal, get medical treatment as soon as possible. Don't assume a small wound is harmless. It's always better to get vaccinated and be safe than to regret it later. Thank you for watching, and thank you for taking this warning seriously. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.